Hey everybody, Cody Barnett, Bodyworks Physical Therapy and Concussion Center, and I am over here today at our good friends at the Bicycle Peddler, Central and Rock Road, and this is Jen.
Hello.
Hi Jen, and Jen is a good friend of ours, and they've got some new technology here in helmets that's really neat for preventing, or really not preventing concussion. Well, I guess there are some prevention features on this helmet as well, but also alerting. So maybe tell us about the prevention features and the MIPS in here, and then we'll talk about the alert system.
Sure. Right here, this is a specialized, on the new helmets, they do have what's called the MIPS system. So you see this bright yellow plastic liner in there. What that does is that if you take a blow to the head from any direction, that's actually going to shift in there and shift the blow force away from your skull. However, also on the back of this, you see this little red device here. That's called the Angie system. That's a specialized product that they came out with. It does have a tracker, so it's a GPS sensor in there that's going to track you on your ride, and you can share that through Strava or or like Strava or any of your social media, so people can join you if you ride. But also, the most important thing about that is it does have a concussion detector on there. If you take a hit to your head or fall that's strong enough to cause a concussion, that's going to set off an audible alarm on your phone. When that happens, you have a certain preset amount of time to turn it off. If you don't, it will send a notice to the person, alert to the person that's tracking you that you're not responding, so this way they can get help out to you.
Very good. And believe it or not, I actually have a patient of mine that had an accident that was unconscious, that had one of these, and her husband, it alerted her husband, and he was able to come out and find her.
Yeah,
like,
with
literally.
the tracker, they know exactly where you are. Get you help as soon as possible.
Yeah, so very, very cool stuff in terms of injury prevention and notification in case of injury. I am actually getting a new helmet, and so guess which one I'm going to get right here. So if you have questions, feel free to contact us, 558-8808, or go see our friends at the Bicycle Peddler. Jen would be happy to help you, and lots of other really knowledgeable people that are here. And they are just to the south of Central and Rock Road intersection. And give us your phone number too.
Our address is 330 North Rock Road, but our phone number is 316-685-4545, and that was the Angie system by Specialized.
Very good. Hey, thanks, Jen.
Thank you.
Appreciate you doing this for me.
Keep everybody safe. Happy riding.
Bye.